Okay, let's continue with practice problem number 2. Temperature in degrees centigrade, that is our X, and then versus ice cream sold, and that is our Y. Our values of X and Y, we have 2040, 2245, 2425, 26 to 60, 2870, 3080, 3290, and then 34 over 100. So what are we going to do with these values? We write it. The first column is X values, the second column is Y values. And then you can get R by just simply using equal correl and then the range of X and then the range of Y. So the value of R using Excel is 0.9956. So the p-value is 0 and then the direction is positive, very strong. And then age of car in years, number 3 versus resale value and in 1,000 pesos, Y. So we have X and Y values. 1 for 80, 2 for 50, 3 for 20, 4 390, 5 350, 6 310, 7 280, 8 250 in 1,000. So the calculated value of R is negative 0.99. So the direction is negative and the strength is very strong because it's close to negative 1. Number 4. Absences X versus final grade percent Y. So these are our values of XY. 095, 193, 290, 387, 483, 580, 676, 770. So these values of X and Y, input them in an Excel, and then using our formula for R, you can get the value of R to be negative 0.996. Our p-value is 0, the direction is negative, and the strength is very strong. Number 5. Height in centimeter versus the weight in kilograms, and then that is our Y. So these values of X and Y, place them in Excel and using our computation for R, equal correl, open parenthesis, range of X and then range of Y and then enter, you will get the coefficient to be 0.9947. The p-value is 0, the direction is positive, and then the strength is very strong. Number 6. So we have advertising expense in 1,000 pesos. That is our X versus our sales revenue in 1,000 pesos, and that is our Y. So these values of X and Y, use Excel, write them there, and then use our formula for R. And the R value is 0.997. So from there, our P value is 0, the direction is positive, the strength is very strong. Number 7. Years of job experience X versus salary in 1,000 pesos, Y. So input all of these values. And so the problem in problem number 7 using Excel, R is 0.9874. And the p-value is 5 times 10 raised to negative 6. The direction is positive and the strength is very strong. So the line has a positive slope. Number 8, the distance from school in kilometers, that will be our x, and then versus times length, and that is our y. So using our Excel, our value is 0.9912, and then the p-value is 2 times e raised to negative 6. The direction is positive and the strength is very strong. By the way, this is problem number 8. So R is 0.9933. Number 9, the temperature in degrees centigrade, X versus electricity consumption in kilowatt hour, and that is our Y. So those are the values of our X and Y. Using Excel, R is 0.9912 and the direction is positive. The strength is very strong. So we have p-value 2 times 10 raised to negative 6. Number 10, online reviews X versus product sales units in Y. These are our values of X and Y. Using Excel, our value of R is 0.9989. The p-value is 0, the direction is positive, and then the strength is very strong. Number 11, hours of sleep X versus productivity rating Y. So those are our values of X and Y. And using Excel, R is 0.8474 and our p-value is 0.01606. The direction is positive and then the strength is strong. Number 12, daily exercise in minutes X versus BMI Y. So those are our values of X and Y. Using Excel, R is negative 0.992. Our p-value is 1 times 10 raised to negative 6. And then the direction is negative. The strength is very strong. Number 13, years in school X versus reading score Y. The values of X are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The values of Y are 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85. So using Excel, our R value is 0.98. 0.988. Our P value is 4 times 10 raised to negative 6. The direction is positive and then the strength is very strong. Number 14, fertilizer in kilograms, that will be our X, and then versus crop yield in kilograms, that will be our Y. So those are the values of X and Y, And using Excel, R is 0.9697. The p-value is 6.8 times 10 raised to negative 5. The direction is positive, and then the strength is very strong. Number 15. Training hours X versus performance score Y. So those are the values of X and Y. And then using Excel, R is 0.99. Our p-value is 0. The direction is positive. And then the strength is very strong. Number 16. Fuel consumption in liters. That will be our X versus distance traveled in kilometers, and that will be the Y. So the values of X and Y are those that are reflected, and then using Excel, the R is 0.9989, the p-value is 0, the direction is positive, the strength is very strong. Number 17. The study time per week hours, which is X, versus GPA, which is Y. And those are our values of X and Y. Our R value is 0.9988. Our P value is 0. The direction is positive. The strength is very strong. Number 18. Age in years is our X versus blood pressure millimeter mercury, which is our Y. So we have those X and Y values. Using Excel, the value of R is 0.9967 and the P value is 0. The direction is positive and the strength is very strong. Number 19. The price in pesos, which is our X, versus units sold in terms of Y. So those are our values of X and Y. And using Excel, our is negative 1. So P value is 0. The direction is negative. And the strength is very strong. Number 20. Practice sessions X versus competition score Y. So those are our values of X and Y. So using Excel, our R is 0.9936 and then our P value is 1 times 10 raised to negative 6. The direction is positive and the strength is very strong. We will have the next part of our quarter 4 DP lesson Roman numeral number 11.